Hello, everyone. Welcome. My name is Dr. Terrence Duncan, and I will be your closing keynote in September in Omaha, Nebraska for the ATD Regional Keynote, and I also will be responsible for providing two workshops where I'll be facilitating relative to this particular conference. Quick background about myself. I'm an assistant professor at Liberty University. I'm also a doctoral instructor at the University of Phoenix, and I also teach adjunct for the Masters of Project Management program at Bellevue University, as well as serving as a program lead for their PMP bootcamp program. I serve on various boards involving entrepreneurship, elderly and aging issues, as well as management-related issues. I have 3 different books available on Amazon. So if you would like to buy them, you can just search my name and you'll see those books and they are available. I also will have one of the books available, which I will cover in the keynote at the conference itself. And I have 15 years, lots of experience in human resources, project management, healthcare, human resources, and strategic management. In other words, I like to connect with the people, and I do a lot of training, coaching, and facilitating in that area. So at the keynote, we will talk about the 4 Fits of the Dynamic Leadership. And this is my second book that I published, self-published. And we're going to cover 3 key learning objectives. The first will be to discuss transformational leadership and how it would affect our stakeholders. The second is that we will conduct internal reflection of the 4 Fits of dynamic leadership. And that's where I'll go into the insight about the philosophical process and how to apply it to yourself personally as it relates to the way that you engage your stakeholders. And then the final learning objective is that we're going to analyze emotional intelligence and conflict resolution strategies with stakeholder engagement. So even though we're working with our community partners, whether they're future applicants or protect our prospective client, we want to understand how to use emotional intelligence effectively, as well as learning how to de-escalate potential conflict as it may arise. On the first workshop that I'll be facilitating, Servant Leadership, there will be 3 key learning objectives. The first will recognize characteristics for performance optimization. The second, we will discuss elements of servant leadership. And the third, we will analyze how followers become leaders. And this is actually fun because of the fact that I taught a course on leadership, and you will see some of those elements brought to you in this particular workshop. The second workshop I'll be facilitating will involve emotional intelligence, and there will be 3 learning objectives with this as well. And those 3 takeaways, the first will be to evaluate different characteristics of emotional intelligence. The second, we'll investigate the benefits of emotional intelligence in leadership. And third, we'll identify common causes for poor work-life balance and emotional regulation. And so our emotional ability to identify with ourselves as well as with others is very important, because our work-life balance is what helps us get up in the morning and go to bed at night as stress-free as possible. And we'll talk about different strategies that you may be able to incorporate, or even something that may enhance something that you already know. My contact information is as follows. There's my email address, my website, as well as my LinkedIn information. I do actively post on LinkedIn on a variety of topics. Hopefully you will see this preview and follow me right away. If not, I hope that you will follow me afterwards. And again, I do look forward to seeing you in Omaha in September, and I definitely look forward to engaging you in person. And I wish that you have a great rest of the day.